Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials. Windows 10 build that supports mobile hotspot and an active internet source. Once done, make sure your Wi-Fi adapter is enabled and drivers are current in Device Manager. Outdated drivers block sharing. Now open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Mobile Hotspot. You're already in the right place to configure sharing. Next, choose which connection to share and set a network name and password so devices can find and authenticate to your hotspot. Now configure the hotspot details and explain why each choice matters. Choose the source connection. Ethernet gives stability, cellular conserves Wi-Fi channels, then pick the network name and a strong password for security. If your adapter advertises 4 GHz versus 5 GHz, select the band that balances range and speed for your environment. Toggle Share My Internet Connection on. Windows will create a hosted network and handle DHCP. Make sure to allow device connections and note the displayed SSID and password for client devices. Finish by connecting a phone or laptop to the SSID and entering the password you created. Confirm the client obtains an IP and loads web pages. Monitor active clients and data usage inside the mobile hotspot settings to avoid surprises. If sharing fails, don't panic. Restart the Wi-Fi adapter, reinstall or update drivers, and run Windows Network Troubleshooter to diagnose conflicts. One key tip: turn off VPNs or firewall rules that block internet connection sharing, because they commonly prevent hotspot traffic from passing through.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.